A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Students, as you know that in our last session we started poem 4, that is foreign lands, and in last session we have done its explanation part. Now today we are going to do its exercise work. Its exercise contains two questions, question A and question B. Question A is fill in the blanks, which you have to do yourself in classwork copy, and question B is answer the following questions. So let's start with first question, that is where does the poet climb? So its answer is the poet climbs up into the cherry tree. Now question 2, it is what did the poet hold? So its answer is the poet held the trunk of the tree. Next, now question 3, which is why was the poet happy on seeing the pleasant places? Its answer is the poet was happy on seeing the pleasant places because he had never seen such places before. Now question 4, it is what kind of a tree did the poet want to climb to see farther and farther? So its answer is the poet wanted to climb a taller tree to see farther and farther. Now question 5, which is last question, that is what happens in the fairyland? So its answer is in the fairyland all the children dine at 5 and all the playthings, that is toys, come alive. So this is question A. This you have to do yourself as homework in your classwork copy. Now as you know that tomorrow onwards there is Diwali break, so wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Bye bye.